Okay, question 3. So we've got a diagram, so it's an angle fact question. And our first task is to find the size of angle x. And what we should notice is that x is the same as 63. If this line came down, you can see that they correspond because the angle between two lines that are parallel to each other. So angle x is 63, and the reason is that it corresponds. So just write in corresponds. Okay, work out the size of angle y. Now if this is 63, then the angle here will be 63. They correspond. And so angle y plus 63 is on a straight line, so it makes 180. So y will equal 180 minus 117. Okay, and 180, sorry, not minus 117, minus 63. 117 was the answer. So 180, y and 63 are 180, 180 subtract 63, 117, and that's your answer. Question 4. So we've been given this diagram, and we've got to find a missing angle. All right, so we've got a regular hexagon, and we've got a square. So we've got to find this angle x. So what I've got to realise is that if I go round this point here, and providing I can get the angle here and here, and I'm going to mark them in with different letters, so I'll call it y and z, then you should see that x, y and z make 360. Now, a very easy angle to find is the angle y, because y is a right angle, so it will be 90. So that part's easy. The difficult part of this question is finding z. Now remember, it's a regular hexagon, so you've got to find the internal angle of a regular hexagon. Now the internal angles are all the same. So the internal angle is also connected to the external angle, and they together form a straight line and add up to 180. So if we can find the external, we can get the internal, then we've got z, and when we can find x. Now there are 6 external angles. It matches the number of sides. So there's an external angle here, 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 and so on. And those external angles will always add up to 360 in a regular polygon. If there's 10, they'll make 360. If there's 12, the external angle gets smaller the more sides you have. So our external angle in this problem is 360 divided by 6, which is 60. So this is 60. So our internal angle is 120. So we've got 120 plus 90 plus our missing angle, which is, let's just rub that out, plus the missing angle, which is we call x, and that all comes to 360. So what I need to do now is do 360, subtract 90 and 120 to find out what x is. So we can use the calculator to do that, and we'll find, well, I'll write it down, 360 take away 120 plus 90 will be 360 take away 210, and so my answer is 150, and that will get me all the marks.